Hey guys, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'm going to install this 2.5-inch AEV dual sport suspension lift. I bought this a couple of weeks ago for $260 on Craigslist. Check out this video here and you can see what I did to get this lift at such a great price. Now this is not going to be a long drawn out step-by-step video on how to install that lift. There's hundreds of videos out there on how to put lift kits on Jeeps. This is just going to be me slapping the lift kit on and showing you some photos of what the Jeep looks like after I'm done. So obviously here's some photos of the before, and I'll follow up with the videos of that after. I'm also going to put these 315/70 R17 tires with these AEV wheels on the Jeep. It's going to look pretty sharp, so stay tuned. Well, that's about it for the video. I'm going to leave you here with some after photos. Once again, this is the 2.5-inch AEV dual sport suspension lift. If you like what you see, check out some of my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. As always, thanks for watching Things I Do.